Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add featured photos on Facebook. Firstly, you need to open your Facebook app. On the top left corner, tap on profile icon. If you have already set your featured photo, then tap on plus icon and add new one. The next way is, if you haven't add featured photo yet, then there is no any specific icon to add it. The thing we can do is go to create story or add to story. Now select a picture or video, then tap on share. Here you can see we have successfully added a video to our story. At the bottom right corner, tap on heart like icon. Now you need to tap on plus new and you can edit your feature collections, and here you can write a title for it. After that, tap on save. Now your feature collection has been added to your profile. You can view them by simply tapping on them. You can edit them by tapping on three dots, and also you can delete it. And this is how we add featured photos on Facebook. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching.